In this video, we'll see how we can give booking option in WooCommerce. Here you can see this is WooCommerce product. I have given booking option, start date, end date. Here you can see, and anyone can book. Even I can add services option and people option in it. I will show you how to do that. For now, this very simple booking option. So let's go. Here I am logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now we'll install plugin through which we will add WooCommerce booking system in product. Let's see how we can set up it and add this feature. Go on plugin. Here search for booking for WooCommerce. Very simple. Scroll down. Here you can see booking for WooCommerce. Install and activate it. Now plugin is activated. You can manage booking for WooCommerce setting from here. Here you can see plugin is enabled and enable booking. For now, just leave it. We don't need to configure anything much more. Now go to product. Okay. You can click on add new product or edit it. I will click on add new booking. I will create WooCommerce booking. This is my product. Here you can add description. Now product data, I will select booking type. Just simple. Booking type, here you want dual calendar, means start date and end date both you want to give user option, or single calendar, like there will be only one date week option. Okay, I will get dual calendar from which user can pick start date and end date. Now quantity, you want fixed quantity or customer can choose. I want to set it a fixed quantity, like one, customer can't choose. Now booking confirmation, you want yes, like if admin will confirm the booking, you want this feature. No. Cancellation allowed, if you want to allow cancellation, you can enable it. Now booking unit, you want day wise or hour wise. I will select day wise. Now if you want to give option of select day with time, you can check it, otherwise leave it. Very basic setup. Now inventory, we don't need to anything. Cost, booking unit cost, it means how much it will cost for one day. Add 100 per day. That very simple. Now leave this feature, I will tell you, but for now we will set up basic. If you want to give people feature, then you can enable it. I will tell you how you can do it. Now if you want to give a base cost is 50, then above that 100 rupees will be charged per day if you want to give it, otherwise just hide hide it. Okay, here you can add people and services. I will guide about it first. Now just add very simple basic booking system we have created. Now let's see how it will look. Very basic booking system, no other feature. Here, WooCommerce booking. I will select I want to book it from 10. I am only able to select day, no timing. Now here you can see I have selected 2 days. It's charging $200, 100 rupees per dollar. Now I can simply book it and my booking will be confirmed. I don't need to do anything. I will just purchase as a simple product with all detail, booking from and booking to. I can easily able to place order. Okay, very simple. Now suppose, now here, now suppose you want to give service option and people option, like how many person you want to charge per person. So that what we will do, we can go on plugin. Here you can see we are on plugin. And one more feature of this plugin is you can also charge some extra service charge or any extra cost if you want to charge. In cost, here is option to add additional cost. If you want to add additional cost, you can add from here. Just click on it. It will redirect to here. Plugin, configuration setting, additional cost. You can add additional cost as per your requirement, like 10 rupees additional cost. like platform fee, something like that. You can charge or you can multiply it by per person or duration. It's all upon. I will not multiply. I have charged 10 rupees additional cost. Very simple. Now we want to create charge people option and we will charge per person. Okay. Here enable people option. Minimum person should be one. And if you want to limit maximum, you can add it in cost, booking unit cost per person. Okay, I have enabled it. Booking unit will cost per person. Now in services, if you want to add services, you can add it, enable it, and I will show you what you can do. First, I have saved it. Now what I will do, I will just click on services. Here, click on here, then it will redirect to same plugin additional services like pickup, and there will be 20. Simple. If we want to multiply it by number, multiply it by booking, if optional, yes, service is optional. It's on user. He want to check it or not. Okay. I have enabled it. Now what I will do, I will go on plugin on product here and scroll down here on right side. You see additional cost. You need to add the additional cost that you have created here. Additional cost, add and services. I have created services and additional cost. I need to add it. Then only it will display on front end. Okay. So keep this point in mind. It's very important. Now here you can see I get option of pickup. If I select it, then only we charge, otherwise no. Suppose I select 10, date to 12, value 2 days. Here you can say 2 days. And here you can see service additional cost is 10 rupees, that is charge. I haven't selected any services. If I select now 19.99, here you can see pickup cost is added. Now if I multiply it by 2, now suppose that there are 2 people. Here you can see only this increases. Multiplied by 2, 400. Okay. Very simple. Now here you can see all the detail. Now I click on book now. Now I will go to my cart. Here now we'll go to checkout and place order. Now here you can see WooCommerce detail, 2 people, service pickup. Okay. Booking is this. Now I can place order. Here now as an admin I will see on WooCommerce orders. Here you can see booking orders. It is showing booking order. It's by default on processing. Here you can see all the detail. Here you can see booking from to. It is showing this. You can hide this day if you don't want to share using custom CSS. Very simple. If you want to hide it, you can hide this. So that's why you can easily create booking with WooCommerce for free. It's totally free. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.